Hey, what's going on everybody? Joey here for another exciting day on my weekend. And that's right, I'm getting a new piece of tech. This kit is awesome, but as most people are, they're a little apprehensive getting something new if they're worried about installing it or paying somebody else an absorbent amount of fee to install it for you. So what I'm gonna do is try something out, something new, nothing I've never done, but it's gonna be fun. And that is the Ring doorbell. That's right, you've seen these going up everywhere. They're very popular. Someone can ring your doorbell, and it comes up on your phone. Awesome as that. So I'm gonna test out how easy it is to install. So first thing I need to do, crack open this box, see what's inside, see what the instructions say, because I'm gonna have to do it right, and get it installed as quick as possible. So let's go through this journey and see how easy it is to install an Amazon Ring doorbell. So inside we're going to take a look exactly what's in this box. Now it is battery operated, but it's also can be hardwired, and you can just use those leads from your doorbell that is pre-existing if you have one. I'm going to open it up, and it has the app instructions. I'll need that a little bit later. And let's see here. Actual doorbell. Looks like there's going to be some screws down at the bottom. That's how I'm going to affix the plate. Installation tools. I have a USB cable, a little level, and some mounting screws it looks like. And that is about it. So let's go ahead and check out the instructions and get this thing installed. Now with the Ring actually set up and updating inside, I'm going to come outside and take off this old doorbell. Super simple. All it is 2 Phillips screws, and it should come right out. And the screws are actually loose too, so easy for that. Seems to be a very easy process. The biggest part is just going to be hooking up the new wiring and maybe drilling some holes for the actual I guess it's going to be mounted in this masonry, but we'll see, and we'll get to that bridge when we get there. So the power is off. Want to add that in as you go to the doorbell without touching those leads. I press the button, I don't hear anything, so I know it is off. Want to stress that enough. Safety first. That's a big concern. So the new old doorbell comes right out. It just has a couple leads right here on the inside that I'm going to remove to get those wires out and install the new one right onto it. And next, with this little level included in the mounting bracket, I'm just going to position where it is going to be. I'm trying to get as level as possible. I don't want to go into these seams, drill into these. I want to drill into the brick, and that looks just about right. Nice and level. Go down just a smidge, and that is about where it's going to be. So I'm just going to mark the holes of where I'm going to have to drill. Now that I have these holes sealed with some sealant, just to make sure I don't get any leaks, I can throw in these anchors right in. And it is easy as that. Like I said, just a little extra step, because I like over-engineering stuff. So I'm going to set these in, little tap. Oh, it was a little bit low. And there we go. Easy as that. So next, we're going to install the face. So it should go on with just 4 screws and a screwdriver. So I'm just going to set these in. We'll do the top first. Now the 2 wires that were initially hooked up to the doorbell will get connected right onto these 2 screws. So I'm just going to loosen them up. They don't have to come off. And it doesn't matter which way they go, as long as they're both connected, the instructions say. And I'm just going to tighten it right back down. And last but not least, the actual Ring doorbell goes on top. And it is easy as that. It's going to sit right on the mounting bracket. And with the screwdriver included, it has a security bit right on the bottom that you can use to tighten up these small screws to make sure it stays securely in place. And there we go. As easy as that. Drilled a couple holes, pulled the anchor bolts in, screwed in the back plate, fastened it down, and there we go. I got a Ring doorbell. As easy as that, and you can do it yourself. Only hard part is if you have a brick face wall, you're going to need a drill. But if you have anything else, you can just drill the screws right in. So as always, thank you very much for helping me out, supporting the channel, and it is you guys that make the stuff like this happen. So as I mean it straight from the heart, and I always say, ride safe, drive safe, and please keep at least 2 wheels on the road.